on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and also leave a subscription. Leave a subscription, subscribe to this channel, guys. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. I see you guys, and thank you so much for joining us in this channel, guys. The goal is to monetize this channel before the end of the year. We will see how that goes. Now, guys, I've been gone, and as I've been gone, it's been happening. First of all, Wandi Ndlovu is officially off the streets. Girl is officially off the streets. She got lobolat via EFT. The boyfriend sent 56,000 nairas to the family, and then girl was so happy. She actually shared the news on Facebook. And then, as we all know, Facebook is starting to become like Twitter because hi sana toxicness there. So, Kesana, people from Facebook converted 56,000 nairas into rands, and you guys won't believe it was less than 700 rand, guys. It was less than 700 rand, but yeah, nonetheless, Siambongela Ukial looks happy. She is living her best life after all. Who are we to judge? Who are we? You know? And the people that are judging, some of them, they are there by the boyfriends, keep eating for free. Not even 10 rand yokubiya nje kibo ukuthi sinayikhona. But guess Hannah asikho lapho. One Love is officially off the streets. She has a fiance now, njengoba ashilo, and apparently the fiance is a religious man. So Ukel decided to get rid of the wardrobe. She said she doesn't wear revealing clothes anymore. She has changed her wardrobe now because the man is religious. And ubani ofuna umuntu wakhe ahamba aveza izinto zakhe ngaphandle, religious or not, but duh, she has to act like it now. She has to feel it. I guess, and again, in other news, guys, in other news, speaking about people who are off the streets, Mini Damini is officially off the street. I don't know officially, but she is off the streets because Ukiel decided to post her boyfriend on social media. And Kesana, the boyfriend, apparently, allegedly, the boyfriend is married. So allegedly the boyfriend is married, Sana, and the guy, Utwa Kesana, allegedly, Utwa, the guy got married and then left the wife. But as far as they left it official, they divorced or they just separated. Ne? And then the guy went ahead and had, when the guy was leaving the wife, he moved in with the side chick. And when he moved in with the side chick, they decided to do what? They decided to have a baby, and they stayed together. Now, allegedly, Umini Dlamini took the guy from the side who is now a baby mama. So that's the drama that's been happening. Ukel, the baby mama, is accusing Umini Damini Uti, she's a home wrecker, took my man and whatnot. Guys, I always say this, when it comes to men, you lose them the same way that you got them. That's the thing. If it happens that I'm cheating with someone and that someone has a girlfriend, and the guy is cheating with me, when the guy breaks up with that girlfriend, nama angimfuni nami. He's a cheater. Angibafuna abantu abacheatayo. Nama angimfuni. Because he managed to cheat straight sakhe manje mase kuyi-straight sho ukuthi nami ngizochithelwa. So in simple terms, you lose them the same way that you got them. So now she is losing baby daddy the same way that she got the baby daddy. Now she's going to social media shaming Umini Dlamini. And these men are so secretive. So Umini Dlamini didn't even know what happened. And guys, apparently, allegedly, the boyfriend le ebangwa kangaka is the guy that he is a doctor, ne? Is the guy that was accused of Ulona was accused of scamming Ugogo Skoteni. This guy, Ugogo Skoteni, paid for a liposuction allegedly, but Ukainji didn't do the job, you know. So winning, winning, yes, winning. And in other news, yeah, winning, and I'm trying to fit all of this information in one video, guys. Please watch till the end. If you are still watching even now, just comment anything that you want to comment in the comment section down below, but please maybe yinhle, maybe nice, you know. In other news, guys, Sana, our last topic is Ugogo Maweni. Guys, Ugogo Maweni and Gogo Skoteni decided to make peace, ne? As we all know, they were fighting back and forth. They decided to do a live informing us abaphaphayo abalandeli babo balandeli drama yabantu besindaba zala nathi, informing us ukuthi no, we've made peace, we are no longer fighting, so guys, please let this go. Habe. And then manje ugogo Maweni is getting arrested for what? For the things that Gogo Skoteni was saying ukuthi ugeli was unaliving people, when Gogo Skoteni was getting people to testify ukuthi yes, this person is a murderer. I don't know ukuthi ugogo Skoteni mhlambe was laughing behind ugogo Maweni's back ukuthi lona, she thinks we have made peace but I'm coming for her, or vele vele shem bekasirasitshelile ukuthi you know what, I'm letting this go. But guess Sana, the police arrested Gogo Maweni. Gogo Maweni is currently, she was denied a bail. Ukiel was denied a bail because apparently, allegedly, it's not only one murderer, guys, it's murderers, several murderers. You know, I don't want to say the number because I might get it wrong. And then manje bese sengiba senkingeni. I don't want that for myself, guys. I don't want that. I'm just reporting. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.